You are now looking at a Google search of the search terms tear off strips template. And that's so that you can get a template that you can use in order to promote your video channel or promote your newest video. And so what you're going to do is to pick one of the links in order to download a template. And you'll see the nature of this template. You'll notice that there is a subject that you can place in the middle, and then there are these strips that you can use in order to either place a telephone number or a website link. But rather than put a telephone number or a website, what we want to use is a QR code. And we want to use a QR code generator. And basically what we want to do is we want to make sure that we put our URL in the QR code so that when people scan it with their mobile device, they'll be taken to the URL where they can get our video course. So once we have it, we'll then click Create QR Code, and then we'll download this QR code to be embedded into the tear sheet that we just picked up. And once we have it, all we'll need to do is to save this image, and then we'll be able to put it inside of our document. We're then going to place the flyer in places where we think people are going to be interested in our video course, depending on what the subject matter is going to be. And of course, instead of the phone number here in the flyer, what we're going to do is we're going to put the QR code for them to scan with their mobile device. And actually, we're probably going to put the QR code up near the subject so that they don't even have to go and get the tear sheet unless they just want to. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.